रांसाहा रैमायाखे गोमाय थांदिने थाफ्ला चावे कमरदि जोंनोरदि सिनि मानथाय सिनि तंथाय रांसाहा रैमायाखे गोमाय थांदिने ताके बेंदिने लामाव नखा समसावै फेरांखौ गिबो सोंथाय किरिलिया लामा हिमतिनि बुसु हाबैबो लामथाय करलिया गुबै कथमा सैखोलांनाय
আচ্ছা স্যার নাও যদি একট খাইব যেব্লা স্যার এবার এবার চিনি বকুংবার কমায় হামখাই কইলাও তো বেস খাই
हामख्राय तो गोबां नंगा चिनि पलिटिकल डिमांड दं चिनि पलिटिकल डिमांड दं कोन लगे चिनि इकोनॉमिक डिमांड चिनि बेस्ड ऑन हिस्ट्री कल्चर नि एजुकेशन नि लैंग्वेज नि बेबा थों चिनि जे डेवलपमेंट नि अब चिनि बतांग दं अब चिनि चार्टर ऑफ डिमांड जतो दं जेटा चार्टर ऑफ डिमांड चिनि JWCO जों अब ताबो चिनि नेक्स्ट स्टेप जों जंनाय आजाका जतो डिस्कास होनाय अब जतो खाख्लायो बर्तमान गवर्नमेंट बीजेपी सीरियसली नाय दं
স্যার जेकब राम खनते सचिन देवबर्मा थांनाय नरक जे इंडिया गवर्नमेंट हास्ते हाबंग नरक एग्रीमेंट यागलो न बर खरन नंग नर फियक तो माने देखलायखा तंग उत्पल देवबर्माले तंग दाखल बनले
आबो अबनि प्रोसेस नि बिसिंनि खबजागो तामनिके बाक्सा सिगां बाक्सा उलुंखा आसोजे बोर्डनि जे प्रोसेस जे एडवांसमेंट दंमानि बिसिंनि आ जागा बो उल बो सिगां सिगां कानिने उलो तंनाय योग्य अबनि कुन पक्रि आबो योग नाय आइजे आंनो पगनि सायमान Media friends, thank you so much. I am DM Ishwar Mohan Deborma, President NLFT. So first of all, I would like to thank the government of India as we today celebrating homecoming ceremony. It is followed by our accord on 4th September 2024. So I like to thank first of all government of India, especially the Home Ministry Amit ji and team, especially Home Ministry team and here Agartala team and Shillong Guwahati, everyone of their team. I would like to thank to them first of all, and the state agency everyone and the BSF and other agencies, Tripura Police, PSR, everyone. So as we are very happy. We are very happy as we celebrate here today, and we join already. And let's see what to say now. In front of our work is more work is there. Since we are coming back home, there is we have program. Lots of program is there. We will go ahead with all this program. So here we have our central committee members. My right side is first of all our Vice President Jacob Rangkol. My left is CS and all others. Here is the organizing secretary. We have so many here, Chief of Army Staff and other members, Guidance, Finance Secretary, Defense Secretary are here. Actually this is not nicely I could not make, So if you have any question, you can ask.
Sir, how many people have laid down arms?
From we are here 4 groups.
Okay.
As you all know that we have 2 groups here. I can say only from my group.
Okay.
So we have 380. We have 380 only for the program purpose. There is a little less attendance. Okay.
From 380 from NLFT?
Yes, NLFT my group.
DM group?
Yes, right?
So what, sir, what encouraged?
No, no, scenery night. Ani yagra phajin tonai Vice President Jacob Rangkol, ani yaksi phajin tonai Chini Secretary General Upendra Rian, yaksi gala tongo Chini organizing secretary, Chini chief of army staff, Momtom Jomatia, Situng, Chini deputy chief, I got to Yango to go to the Raida, finance secretary, the defense secretary. So what is Joto Paiman of Pajak? Joto Okra of Tongo Jagat, Sopaja, the Chini Kisha, Chini Sankra, Royal Borok Army, Borogo, Tini 318 bisingo, O Pandawo Kisha limited number no control Kenebaga, Abajoto Tuglia. Tanke Borogo Joto or Hobsaxe. They turn to Kipini Paka. Jotoni Chubasu, Jotoni Corporation Nago, Tango, how some Dantanai Katsaman Vicente, development, Jimmy Boropai, Somazo, Kibili Paka.
Asar no ni dolno, Tamago, Alamos of Zap, and Amo Agerum Zapro Nini, Dolo, Zago, Boromano Hotpol, the problem. Gabono Pyong and Bagano, Yankee Kuno Chacho, to the Tongser. City Saitoming, Oro, Jengro, Sivi, Jengi Pemani. Evo, Oro Hapaimanino, Boromo Base Kaino, Boromo Pyongan, which is Jengi Pay. Boro Banglaho Romzaka, Abazotono open secret. Zeng Borono to Pemanino Chili process starting. Zika. Okay, Oro Saitokzaja Oma Hypopno or Kunukok Zero. No question, no doubt. Tabu Chile, according to Bishing Azakawa Chile, Borono Zoto, jail and custodial Tomato. Obosudu Utpolni Kokia. Zeng already Chile list, Tapsora Zeng Manmani, Abor of Zotono Zeng Sabit Kaja. Sabo Jelotong, Romzakto. Inclay. Angkaklah yo borong face by face, oboto purni proses tongona, purni proses ni bisinti no se, kaisa ain tongle, o ain ni bisinti matongle. That is a bell process.